Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna be right back.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you wanna shoot with the red and bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you wanna shoot with the red and bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got her husband with her, take her back to Milo. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And the name ain't begging, but she a stallion. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride it in the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know to drop it low like a liver. How we think it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go.
And welcome back, y'all. My allergies have been giving me the blues. OMG, who else is having horrible allergies this season? Typically I usually just have seasonal allergies, but I had allergy problems all winter long and I'm just tired of it. So yeah, it's actually a lot worse than what it was before. But y'all, I am tired of allergies. I've been taking knockoff Allegra. I switched up my allergy method because I was taking the knockoff Claritin. Literally, y'all, the same ingredients from Walgreens or CVS, whatever. Same ingredients, but I was taking Claritin last year. Then I started taking Allegra, the knockoff brand, maybe like mid to late summer. And I felt like it was working more. But now I'm thinking I might have to switch it up again. Maybe I'll try Zyrtec or go back to Claritin. Because, y'all, my allergies are giving me the blues right now. But today we are reviewing another Outre unit. It is from Divas, so thank you kindly for sending me this gorgeous unit. It is from their Color Bomb collection. I got it in the color DRSD chocolate caramel, and it's in the color Inanna. Y'all, they are running out of names. Inanna, I don't know. She's pretty. It is a beautiful bone straight unit with a side part, a right part at that. As a 5-inch it has a 5-inch deep parting space, natural baby hairs included, pre-plucked HD lace hairline, heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it's 24 inches. And this is what the stock card is looking like. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. This beautiful model and all of these beautiful colors. And this is what the back of the stock card looks like. It shows you what colors it comes in. Yeah, these colors are interesting. They're very, very pretty. I'm always in love with the chocolates and browns and caramels. So y'all know I had to get a caramel wig. I'm so excited. But This unit has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big head friendly. It does shed, so keep that in mind. I haven't experienced any tangling yet, so that's a plus. And I'm loving all 24 inches of this unit. It's so freaking pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. As far as the texture, it's not silky. It's definitely giving yaki vibes, but it's straight, yaki straight. There's not a lot of there's not really like texture to it, but the hair does feel really nice and soft. And as you guys can see, I have no tangling, and this is fresh out the package. There is some shedding, so keep that in mind. This is like a longer unit, so eventually it will start tangling some more as well. It has a face frame split dye. That's cute. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. This unit does range on Diva Trust's website for $46, so you can check that out in the link in the description box below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's cute, right? It's so cute. It was a simple install. I did cut the lace. I went in with my Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. You guys, this is like the newest, hottest thing on the market right now. People have been coming for the Got to Be Glued spray, which I don't like anyway. That thing is big and bulky. This is a perfect travel size, so I do like this. I did go in and just lay the edges down because I was having some flyaways, and I'm just like, I'm not feeling this. So the air tabs and things like that, you will have to glue down. I just did a little bit around the parting, just so in case I do decide to wear this wig for the rest of the day, it's not blowing in the wind, y'all. But I like it. I like the face frame. I do like the coloring. I like the pattern. I went in with my Fenty Beauty foundation along the part and just highlighted the part. And then along the edges, I went in with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, one of the darker colors between these two, and then just darkened in the hairline. And that was it, y'all. That was it. You guys know on this channel, I love me some plop and goes. I cater to the lazy girl, okay? Someone who doesn't want to do a lot, especially for a synthetic wig. I will put in work for a human hair wig, but not a synthetic wig, okay? But look at this coloring. This is just so pretty. Outre is definitely top tier when it comes to coloring. They do such an amazing job, so kudos to them. But thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. It's free to support. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, please, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.